Baby needs a new pair of shoes. Oh, let's see. And we rolled a 3x for baby. Well, I don't know if that's going to help baby or not since we don't know what x equals. So, hey, welcome into our next video where we're talking inequality dice. We're always looking for ways to teach math from the concrete to the abstract, and this is one way to do it. And students can even have fun in the process. Creating inequality die is easy. We've got a couple of things here. We've got a couple of regular die. There they are. Woo, woo, slow motion. We've also created some positive and negative die just using we took just a blank red die and a blank green die, green representing positive, red representing negative, and we just put some various x terms on here, x, 2x, 3x, and so on. Did the same thing on the green, x, 2x, 3x, etc. We took another blank die and we've put inequality symbols on it. We've got our 4 inequality symbols, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to on here. And we've done another die where we've done some operation signs. We've just used addition and subtraction here. So we can use these to model and solve 1- and 2-step inequalities. Well, Steve, show us how it works. Sure, be glad to. I'm feeling pretty positive today, so let's start with our green die. So 1-step inequality, I've got my green die. I've got, or you could use red if you wanted to model some negatives. I've got my inequality dice that had the 4 inequality symbols on it, and I've got my number dice. So we just would go and roll, and my dice went crazy all over the place. I've got to collect them here. So what I've got here in my first one is x is less than 3. If I rolled again, I might have a 3x is less than 3, and then I could go and solve that particular inequality. I could do the same thing with my red dice representing negative 5x here. I could also very easily represent 2 steps inequality. Let's keep my red, and I'm just going to add my operation dice with addition and subtraction here. I'm going to put in a regular die, my inequality symbol, and then another one. And again, we could go through roll, and roll. And I'm just trying to keep the rolls a little sedate so it doesn't go all over creation. And I've got here a 2x plus 5 is greater than 1. And I could go through the steps then with students to solve this and talk about working to get the x term by itself and first doing the opposite over here and going on through. So why go to the trouble to create these? Well, again, this is a great alternative to drill and kill in the study book, a little bit more fun way to do this. Very easily and low cost. We found some of these blank die at EAI Education for a very, very low price. You may also want to find or use some of these like 20-sided die. Are pretty cool, also very inexpensive. People have found these at teacher stores, Walmart, Dollar Tree, various places. And Michael's a lot of times will have die as well that you can buy, little cubes that you can make. It's very inexpensive. So, talking with my hands and I'm saying hi and bye. Welcome to our wonderful video, but we're going to go ahead and say goodbye. Try your inequality die, another great way to get students involved and away from the drudgery of the study book.